Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Today I have at least 20 features to talk about the Meizu X8. So make sure you can stay locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. Stay tuned, and we're gonna go through all the features right now. So first of all, this phone is really beautiful. It comes in that ocean blue with the turquoise and light blue. Just looks really good when you turn it in the light and everything like that. I definitely like the polycarbonate. Um, porcelain stacking process, like that's like a with laser guided it's just like a laser treated stacking process. So the first feature is the lift awake. You basically pull it off the table and you pull it up to your face, and the facial unlock, you can see the check mark unlocks immediately. So that's the first feature right there. So basically, lift to wake, you lift the phone up and it wakes up, and you can just go right here and you can just initiate that real quick. So that's the first feature that we're going to talk about. Second feature is right there as well. It's called the no notch, or the hide screen fringe, but that's the no notch right there. So basically, if you're not living that notch life and you don't want to have that on there, you can turn it off. You got a simple mode right here. This is the easy mode. Turn that on if you want to hand this off to your little kid, or like your girlfriend or somebody who just doesn't understand Android. This makes it feel like an Apple device. So you also get eye friendly mode if you're reading in the nighttime and you want to read a book, or like a novel or a comic or something like that. Maybe like catch up on your Google feed and Facebook. Turn that on. Even your Tinder game or whatever. You also get color temperature as well, and you get the show battery mode right there on the bottom. Turn that on. Also, you can access notification shade and lock screen music. Turn on lock screen music if you want to see what song is playing when you turn on Spotify or whatever music application you use. It'll pull up the picture. Wait, let me turn. I don't even know who Jules is. Let me switch the song. Okay, I don't know who this is either, but oh wait, Jedi Mind Tricks, I know who that is. Facial unlock. So the facial unlock has unlock vault, encrypted apps, unlock screen, and unroll face. You can adjust those to your liking. You also do get guess mode. This is the savage blocker. Basically, if you're trying to hide something, turn that on. So you got vault in there as well, so you can just put apps, pictures, videos, anything you want in there. 5 different gesture modes. So this is number 9. You got the Android mode, you got the easy mode, M back, and you also do get all screen gesture mode. And you also do get the pill. You can activate the pill by like pulling down your notification shade, going back, going between apps as well, anything you want, and you could put it anywhere in the screen as well. So that's probably one of my favorite features out of this, out of the gestures. I like that feature a lot. I didn't like it at first, but when I put it on there, it was definitely pretty cool. You got tap to wake. You also got pull down, and you get that notification panel with the all the toggles on it, and then you got the notification shade. So now we got the theme store, number 12. You do get the theme store. You can adjust your wallpapers, apps, icons, everything like that. Double tap to get your camera real quick. That's number 13. So number 13 is hold down, and number 14 is hold for Google. You basically hold that down for like 2-3 seconds and you get the Google. Now hold down the power button and the bottom volume rocker and you get your screenshot. Just like any Android, but you're gonna get all these options down below. You get all these shapes. You can draw on the screen. You get texts. So that's pretty cool. It gives you some other options to mess around with. You also do get the cloud, just like Apple or Android with the Google. This one has the Meizu X8 has the cloud, so you get that as well. So you get the power savings mode as well. So you can make it low or you make it super. If you want to just save a little bit of battery, put it on low. If you want to save a lot of battery, put it on super. So it's pretty straightforward. You also do get the cleaner, so you can clean out memory real quick. you clean out like at least a gigabyte at a time, or two, depending on how much junk you got in your phone. But right here you can see I'm at 93%, so my phone is healthy right now. So that's a good place to be at. Now the specs on this device are really premium. I was even able to play Fortnite, which a lot of mid-range and lower tier devices aren't able to play. But you also do get the Meizu app store, so they got some basic apps in here, nothing crazy. Don't get carried away. But you know, they do get the tap 5 times on that power button and you're gonna basically alert somebody that you're getting kidnapped or robbed. So that's your emergency button. Now if you tap on the screen, you get your widgets, you get your wallpapers, and you can adjust the icons as well. So you get those 3 options. When you long press, you can adjust the wallpapers. Unless you change the lock screen as well. When you do that, it'll tell you, do you want to change both the wallpaper or just the lock screen? So thank you for watching. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you for staying locked in with me. I appreciate every last one of you. You guys are the real MVPs. Make sure you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, good night. Later, crew. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.